KaleeDreams, and if it is your first time here, welcome. So I am going to do a haul on Prettylittlethings, and I'm super excited to show you the things that I have. I know I have a lot of neutrals here. I'm trying to cut it back on getting the neutrals, but oh my gosh, like I used to wear all black. I used to be a makeup artist for Yves Saint Laurent and MAC just years ago, and I wore black all the time. So I remember there was one time I was looking at my closet and I was like, this is ridiculous. So then I started putting more color into my collection. Then now I'm looking at my closet and I'm like, all I see is black and nude. So now I gotta add more color to my collection. So you'll see more colors coming soon. But I feel like black and neutrals, they're just such a chic look. But anyway, yeah, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button just so that I can get more viewership on my videos. The more likes you give me, the more my videos are seen. I'm showing you is this ruched skirt from Prettylittlethings. It's in the color oatmeal, and I pulled this together so it can come up a little bit. I got this in a size 4, but in UK it's 8. So at first it fit kind of tight. I was like, I could have went in a size 6, but the way my body is, I'm not saying I have the flattest stomach in the world, but my stomach is smaller compared to my butt, so some things fit weird, or I have a gap. Like I was afraid to get a size 6 because I was like, oh, I'm gonna have a gap right here, but it's still cute and comfortable. It fits a little tight in the hip area, and I would suggest, you know, wearing this with a thong. And I got this top from Naked Wardrobe, so I decided to put this little white top with this, and it's really cute. So you can bring it as high as you want it, or you can bring the split lower. This is something that I definitely would go on vacation with, or doing like brunch and mimosas with, and have like a top hat. Now we're going into the fall, but that's okay because there's still some time left, you know. There's some other things that you could pair this with to make it look really, really cute. And let me try these shoes on to see if it looks cute. Okay, so I paired this with these gold heels that I got from Ego Official. It's a shoe line, and I thought that gold would kind of give it a pop if you just still want that neutral feel, or you can go with a cute bright color just to really make it stand out. Another thing I would suggest is you could also get one of those heels that go around your ankle just to add a little dimension to this outfit, but I think this is super cute. Get a little booty pop right there. Pow, like pow.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me.
Okay, so this is a dress. It's in a size 2. It's a little tight, but I almost feel like if I went bigger, this would look too big. Like the arms are puffy. I got another one that has like puffy arms. I'm not big on like big puffy arms for some reason, but maybe it looks cute. Maybe does it look cute? But this is a lot for me. This is where I'm just like, I'm looking at the mirror right here. I'm full out glam right here. It's a lot, but it's kind of cute. I really like it. It's kind of cute. It's something that I'm trying to work out in my head if I really like it or not. I'm saying that I really like it, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure. I need to know your thoughts. Like, am I giving too much or just giving just enough? So when it has a zipper in the back, so I stepped in it from here, and then I buttoned it up to here, and then I zipped it up by myself. And then I also put the little buttons on the arms. So they had this in the color white, they had it in the color brown, and they had it in this color. I think it's called Stone. So I told you guys I'm kind of addicted to like the neutrals lately, so I promise you I'll get some more colors. But I'm gonna just let you see the details on the back. The queen is coming. The queen is coming. I kind of feel like Beyonce. I kind of feel like Beyonce low-key. Like, when I go like this, I'm like, this is Beyonce-esque, right? It's cute. Like, I feel like Beyonce would come out like this, like, boom. And another thing, I'm not a big fan of ironing. I always get like the nylon or the stretchy material where I don't even have to worry about that. I do have an iron and I do have a steamer, but I hate doing it, if that makes sense, you know? So this is something that I feel like I would have to steam out to get the wrinkles out. Because nobody wants to walk around with wrinkles, you know what I mean? They be like, dang, she just pulled this out of her closet. I mean, I did pull this out of my closet because I got out the pack, you know, but it made my butt look like I got like a trunk back there. Look at that. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. I think that I can tell myself this is cute. I want to know what you guys think. Am I overthinking? You know, because I'm a Gemini. I overthink everything. You know, one side of me is like, oh yeah, this is perfect. The other side is like, okay, this is a little too much, you know?
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time.
Okay, so when I look over here, it's because I got a mirror over here. I got mirrors everywhere. So I got this in a cream color. It is in a size 4. But then, like, now I'm looking at it, I'm like, man, should I have gotten in a size 2? Because it is bigger. But the size 2 will probably have it like this, but like, not sure if that would be too tight. So I like this because it's like this knit dress. This is something I definitely would wear on vacation. Like, it goes all the way down to my ankles, and I feel like I will put this on for like a evening dinner by the water. Super cute, super cute. They had other colors in this too, and I really like it. And I think that a 4 is good because sometimes you don't want things like too tight, you know. But I really feel like this is giving me islands. You're going to dinner, all those things, and I'm loving it. And I probably actually will wear this with some cute sandals. You know, I probably won't wear this with heels at all because it's like giving me like the island comfortable type of vibe, you know. Oops, I got snagged. That's what happens when you have like those knit dresses and stuff.
Put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time. When you say you want.
Okay, so this next item that I have is this t-shirt. I wanted to give some like chill type vibes look because it's not always dress up time, you know. There's times where I just want to run to the store but still kind of be cute. So I got this t-shirt. I got it in a size small. I actually wanted a much bigger feel to this, but it actually works for me. It actually works for me. The top says 1987 and it says New York 1987 wild and free, and then it has like this picture in the back, so it's still giving like that nude type feel but with a little bit of extra color to it. So this is for my like going on the go type of look. I really like it. I told myself that I was going to add a lot more t-shirts to my wardrobe, so it's starting now, you guys. It's starting now. And then I got these little sunglasses from Prettylittlething as well. I used to be addicted to sunglasses. What you think? What you think? Hey, hey. Okay, so I got this pullover. This is in the color Stone, and I got this in a size small because I think it went from like extra small to like 2X or something like that. And when I tell you this bad boy is comfortable. Like, I'm gonna have to get another color. I saw like all kinds of colors that they had. They had like mint, they had chocolate, they had black, white. But I decided to get this Stone. Oh my gosh, it's so comfortable. Like, it has this fleece on the inside, and it feels so good. Like, I don't know if you guys have put on like something for the wintertime and you're like, this is so soft on the inside. It's so comfortable. And this is definitely gonna be one of my like throw-ons in the wintertime. Definitely gonna get a black, and I'll probably get more of a dark khaki color instead of like the stone color. I'll probably get like a darker color too, but I'll probably wear black like every day, like the top, because it's just easy to put on and blends with everything, and you can call it a day. But yeah, I'm really feeling this. And I got some shades too. I got another shade that I wanted to try on for you guys. I'm not necessarily saying that it's gonna go with the outfit, but I got this from Prettylittlething too. These sunglasses, or I guess they're sunglasses. It makes everything look yellow, but I heard they're good for your eyes. So I just thought these were pretty different. I thought this was really cute, and yeah. You guys gotta get this pullover though. This is like absolutely amazing. It feels really comfortable. I could have gotten a bigger size, like a medium or large, but I'm pretty comfortable with the size. Like, I'm a petite woman, I'm 5'2", so this is perfect for me. But it just depends on how you want your pullover to look, you know?
Sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet over my